without any further ado, let's bring in Lao Tzu. Choice words, perfect day, infinite knowing, no finite mind. Welcome, my child. How you see your reality is limited by nothing. Come on in. Welcome to the immortal rise, the immortal ride, the realization of you, perfection. You are now, you are all things. Today, if defined as such within a humanistic timeline, how you are so finite, requesting for me to give you definition of this experience. It does not come in words, but I will give it to you in a transmission. As you feel the vibratory state, as your flesh starts to oscillate, is this very evidence of my knowing and your knowing of who you are. We are unified. My immortal self is giving you guidance. This comes in the form of wisdom. This comes in the form of teaching. Because your finite mind has created the idea, how very humorous that is, the idea that you need to define this said experience. We give it to you in wisdom teaching. You are given it within the experience, and let this transmission be your knowing. Let it ripple through you. Let it redefine what your definition is of the now moment. You're always looking, you're always curious. This is beautiful, my child. This is why you return back to this very now moment. We are entering another magnificent, magical, new age of awareness within your humanistic timeline. As we depart from one limited state to one expansive state, as you have already dissolved and collapsed all experiences within this said numerology that you would define as 24. We are entering into a golden age of resonance, of solidified state, of entering the crystalline knowing of your now moment. There will be clear dates of arrival as we enter into the 25, which you would construct and limit as a human timeline. Let's be very clear. As the primordial mother projects, that's right, projects herself from the absorption of all things to the evidence of the power of the sun, the yang frequency that shows you the crystalline state of now. It will show itself on day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15, the most powerful number in the month said as you define within a timeline as January. Why is this so powerful? Well, this was the very evidence of my entry from my immortalized state to the crystalline evidence of physical, humanistic presence. And that happens to be, as you would refer to it, as my birthday. How powerful, how beautiful. Unify with that, my child, as that energy is saturating, that energy is cultivating, that energy is unifying as that fatherly, maternal integration of yin and yang is present within you. You return to the teaching, the wisdom teaching that we share with you as I am present within this material state. This will accelerate to a more calming, I repeat, this will accelerate from one day to the next as you continually find more grounding and whole. There will be evidence of the sun frequency through the vibratory state of your heart expression. Do not be distracted by this said evidence, as it will form in such a visceral state that you will consider it as something more than a transformation. It will be so physically evident. Know that you draw more to that center heart point. You will find this beautiful release of this love that we share, this love which is the evidence of now. Furthermore, you will find on the day of the 24th that you use as a timeline, a heightened state of metal, of gold, platinum, and silver. This is the crystalline transmission of now that you will experience if you are looking for a heightened state of merging within this alchemy gift to you will show itself. Mind, body, and spirit will be fortified, and your evidence of your true knowing will be shown to you. Enjoy the blissful ride of the sacred unity that it forms within you as you accelerate from 1 to 15. Enjoy my birth date as this timeline to show you the complete unraveling and blossoming of your gorged heart, revealing itself in this unadulterated love that you will feel from head to toe. Carry forth that, my child, as the calming, the nurturing, the maternal state will continue to exhibit itself within your very humanistic experience. Furthermore, heightening itself as you can take your body, mind, and spirit and merge it on that said day of the 24th. Do not be distracted. Allow yourself to remember. My beautiful child, forever in love with you, forever a part of you as you are me. Let that be known. Hold that resonance, my dear child. Show itself in your physical flesh, as this is our unity. You beautiful being, I love you. We will talk to you soon, my child. We'll talk to you soon, guys.